All right, so we're supposed to refer to this table. It says, how many females are age 16 to 19 and earn minimum wage? All right, so females earning minimum wage that are 16 to 19. And now there's my marker. Females minimum wage 16 to 19. So it looks like 367. And so that's going to be actually in thousands. So it's going to be 367,000 females. Now, how many males are aged 16 to 24 and earn below minimum wage? Males below minimum wage, 16 to 24. So that one we're gonna have to add that plus that. So that's gonna be what? 220. So that's gonna be 220,000 because we're just gonna add those two together, get 220, and it's 1,000. All right. So now we want how many workers are age of 20 to 24? Workers are age 20 to 24. Okay, so that's going to be 644. And or females earning below minimum wage. Females below minimum wage. And so that's 993. And so we'll add those two together and then we have to subtract off the intersection. So that's going to be 993,644. So it's a 7. It's going to be 13, 16 minus 202, 5341. So that's going to be 1435123. Okay. All right. So now how many workers earn minimum wage? Okay. Male's minimum wage is 734. Female's minimum wage is 1,056. And so if we add those together, that's going to be 10, that's going to be 9, that's going to be 7. So it looks to be 1790123. So there's going to be that many workers that earn minimum wage, females and males combined. Okay. So that's how we would do that one. So let's maybe look at one last one. And so here we have if 12,457 people voted for a politician in this first election, 15,322 voted for the second election, and 9,345 voted for both the first and second. How many people voted for this politician in the first or the second election? So we have the number in the first is equal to 12,457. The number in the second was 15,322. And we know the number of 1 and 2 is 9,345. So what we have to do is n of 1 or 2 is basically the 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 plus the 15322, and so that's gonna be a 9, that's a 7, that's a 7, that's a 7, that's a 1, and then minus a 9,345. So it's a 4, that's a 3, that's a 4, and that's a wait, what am I doing here? Oh, it's a 2, not a. I was like, wait a minute here, that doesn't look right. Okay, that's going to be 8, and then that's going to be 1. All right. So there's going to be this many people who voted for the politician in the first or the second election, as long as you add 1 plus 1 and get 2 instead of 1. Okay. And so that would be how I would do that one. So I think that's all I have for this section. So hopefully that helps you with some of the extra problems.